All right. Assalamu alaikum, Hasnain. Can you hear me? Can you see my screen? Spoke me, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So in today's class, what we are going to learn is that how a sprite can ask us question. Okay. We are going to learn that how sprite can ask us some questions and how we can answer them. Okay. So how we can do it is, if I want that when I click on the green flag, this sprite here should ask me my name. Okay. So how will we do is that first of all, we will go in the events. Okay. And then we will pick the event that when green flag clicked. Okay. That when I click on the green flag, and then if you want that your sprite should ask you some question, then you have to use the ask block. Okay. And we can get the ask block in sensing. Okay. We will go in the sensing and you will see that there is a block ask what's your name. Can you see it? All right. So if we will use this block here. Okay. Now what is our code? That when green flag click, ask what's your name. Okay. Now if I will click on the green flag, you can see that this sprite is asking me that what's your name. And here we have a bar where we can answer the question. Okay. Now if I will write here my name, that Ammar, and I will press the enter key, nothing is happening. Okay. Why it is? Because we haven't coded it yet. Just remember one thing. Can you see there is a answer block right here? There is a small block answer. Okay. What happens is that when I click on the green flag and the sprite asks us any question, for example, what's your age, what's your name, where do you live? Okay. So if I will write Ammar here and I will press the enter key or I will press this arrow, what will happen that my answer will go and will be stored in this block. Okay. Just like we have variables in which we can store points or score. Okay. We have studied variable in the ghost hunting game. You remember? Okay. What was happening that what was a variable? Variable was just like a box which stores our thing. Okay. Which stores the data. Just like the variable, this answer block is also a little bit type of a variable. How is that? Because it will store your answer. Okay. Now if I want that when I click on the green flag, the sprite will ask me what's your name, and when I write my name in the answer section, then what should it say? That it should repeat my name. Okay. The sprite should repeat my name. How we can do that is we will go in the looks and we will use this say block from here. Okay. And we will put this answer block here. Okay. Now what is our code is that when green flag click, okay, ask what's your name and say answer for 2 seconds. Now what will happen? When I will click on the green flag, this sprite will ask what's your name. If I will write my name here, okay, and whenever I will press the enter key or press this arrow, now it is repeating my name. Can you see it? Okay, it is repeating my name. Okay, that's how we can use this answer block and this ask block. Okay, that's how a sprite can ask us any question. Okay, now if I want that, okay, Now if I will put say hello Brock here, now if I will click on the green flag, what's your name? And if I will write Ammar, it first of all it will say hello and then it will say Ammar. Okay, because we have used hello block, say hello block, and then we are using say answer for 2 seconds. But now if you want that it should say hello Ammar in just one sentence. Right now it is not saying it hello Ammar in one sentence. It is first of all saying hello, and after saying hello, it is saying Ammar. Okay. Now, if I want that it should say hello Ammar in just one sentence, so how we can do that is we will go in the operators. Okay. Now, after going in operators, can you see that there is a block join apple and banana? Okay. What will this block do? This block will join two words. Okay. This block will join two words. Now, if I will put this hello right back, and if I will write here that say join apple banana block, and if I will put answer here in banana, and if I will write here hello, okay. Now if I will click on the green flag, it will ask what's your name, and if I will write my name, okay, and if I will press the enter key, so it will say hello Ammar in one sentence. Can you see it? Okay. Just remember one thing is that you can ask as many ask block as you want, but it will work on the first in first out concept. This means that the answer which is asked first will be the answer which will be answered for first. Okay. इसका मतलब ये है कि जो क्वेश्चन आपने सबसे पहले पूछा है उसका जवाब भी आपको सबसे पहले मिलेगा. ठीक है. ओके, आप लोगों को कोई कंफ्यूजन है यहाँ तक? ऑल राइट. Now, if I will now, if I want to ask more questions, how I can do that is that if I will use the ask block again, okay, and I will write what is your age, okay. Now, if I will click on the green flag, okay, Sprite will ask me that what's your name. I will write my name here, okay. Then it will say hello Ammar, okay, and then it will ask what is your age. If I will write my age here, okay, now nothing is happening. Why nothing is happening? Because we haven't coded it yet, okay. Now if we will go in the logs, or if we can use this think block, okay, and if I will write think, and if we will use answer block here, if we will put answer block here, now what will happen that first of all, when I will click on the green flag, the sprite will ask what's your name. I will write my name here, okay, and then it will say hello Ammar, and then it will say what is your age. It is asking what is your age. If I will write my age here, so now it is thinking wow, 19. Okay, do you both have any question or confusion in ask block? All right. Now, if you want to make a age calculator, how you can do that? How we can do that? That if we want to make a age calculator means that this sprite will ask me that in which year you were born. Okay. Sprite will ask me that in which year you were born. If I will write 2004 and press the enter key, now I want whenever this sprite asks me that in which year you were born, and when I will enter my birth year, so this sprite should tell me that what is my age. Okay. How we can do that? How we can calculate a person's age by its birth year? We will subtract, okay? We will minus that birth year from the current year we are living in, okay? If you want to calculate, if I want to calculate my age, what will I do? I will subtract my birth year from the current year, which means I will subtract 2004 by 2023. Okay, then we can find, yes, you can change the sprites. It's your own choice. Okay, I'm just explaining you that how all it work, and then you have to do your work. Okay, now when I will click on the green flag, it will ask in which year you were born. Now I want that it should say my age. So I will use the say hello block. Okay. And now if you want a subtract block, we will go in the operators. Okay. After you go in the operators, you will see that there is a block of subtraction. Can you see it? There is a subtraction block. Okay. We will put this subtraction block here. And what we will do, we will subtract 2023 by answer. I will write it there 2023 and it will minus from answer. Now if I will click on the green flag, sprite will ask in which year you were born. I will write 2004, and when I will press the enter key, the sprite will tell me my age. Okay. Okay, Spogme. Now, if I want that it should say properly that you are 19 years old, how we can do that is we will pick this block. We will pick this join apple banana block. We will put it right here. Okay. And now I will write here that you are, okay. And now I will again pick this block, join apple banana. Okay. You are, and I will put this block here. And I will write here years old. Okay. Now, if I will click on the green flag, it will ask in which year you were born. I will write 2004. And when I will press the enter key, it will say you are 19 years old. Okay. Do you have any question? Do you have any questions, Pogme? All right. Do you both have any type of confusion? Well done. Now, okay, now I'm stop sharing my screen, and now what you both have to do is, first of all, you have to draw your own sprite. Okay, you don't have to choose the sprite from the sprite section. You have to draw your own sprite because you know how to draw a sprite properly. Okay, you have to draw your own sprite, and then you have to make this age calculator on that sprite. Okay, that sprite will ask you that in which birth year you were born, and when you will write your birth year, that sprite will properly say that you are 10 years old or you are 8 years old. Okay, now start sharing your screen, both of you, and start doing your work.